Hello everyone, my name is Jin Zhang and I'm a big fan of foam fling guns. If you don't know what foam fling is, basically anything that does this. Like that. And today I'll be showing you the mechanics of a flywheel magazine fed Nerf gun. The Nerf Modular Strife. I'm going to open it up and show you the inside mechanics of how it works. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the internals of the Modular Strife. I'll go over each piece one by one. Right here is the rev trigger. It powers up the flywheel, right here. Now I'll let you see behind this. Alright. This is one of the mechanical locks to power the flywheel, basically. Up here is the mechanical trigger. Push the dart into the flywheel cage. And here, I modified this part, is another mechanical lock for the flywheel. And I'm gonna remove this part so you can see. Alright, so basically, this lock is used to ensure that you only can rev the trigger when the magazine inside. And up here, there's another mechanical lock for the rev trigger. It's for the access door. So the access door has to be closed. I'm pretending I'm the access door. Access door has to be closed. There has to be a magazine inside, and then you can rev. Like that. I'm gonna put these parts back. Alright, so now I've taken out the screws on the flywheel cage. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the inside. So on the inside, you can see there are two white wheels right there. Right there. Alright? So how it works is basically they spin at a very quick rate that when the dart pusher pushes a dart from the magazine into the flywheel cage, it will eject it. Pretty simple. Alright, so now that you've seen the mechanisms of the Nerf Modular Strife, it's time for a little firing test. It's time for the firing test. So I'm using a worker stock for stability and this 18-round clear stick. Thanks everyone for watching my video about the explanation of how a flywheel Nerf gun works. Bye!